I don't even know if it'll let me comment. All right, good morning. I think we got about 20 seconds or less. Little allergetic this morning. We got what we call our February March winds happening here in Las Vegas every year. But I prefer wind over snow any day, every day, all day. Okay, it's 5:30. Let's do this. Good morning. I am Dr. Donna Thomas-Rodgers, and I teach adults how to become bad mofos, one neural pathway at a time. That's what I do, baby. Okay, what we're going to do is inhale and exhale on your own 3 times. Let the mind know that we are ready to get this brain party started. Good morning, Regina. So I'm gonna let a couple more people get on the live because I don't want anybody to miss this. I do not. So what happened this morning, I was going in one direction and I was led in another direction. And so what I did was I did some Google searches this morning, and we are talking about how to use the brain. And y'all know I have said no one on the face of the planet Earth is teaching you how to use your brain to become your best. And I said, well, let's check that out, Dr. Donna. Let's see, because you might be wrong. So this morning, I researched thoroughly for an entire hour how to use your, with 50 minutes, because I had to start posting on social media, how to use your brain. And I have 4 different searches that I used. I used how to use your brain at full capacity, how to use how to use your brain. What's the best way to use your brain? How to use your brain, and how to use your brain to become your best. I'll say that again. I searched how to use your brain at full capacity. What's the best way to use your brain? How to use your brain, and then how to use your brain to become your best. That gave me a wide range of internet searches. Okay, I would think that you all would agree with me. And so I'm going to reveal to you the information that was given to me by the Mayo Clinic, by AI, by a well-known public speaker, and then by some other platforms. So I took research, popular person, and AI, and normal Google searches to give you this information. I believe that that was a wide enough sample size for you to understand your brain, right? Because I'm not a neuroscientist. I just started studying the brain on October 1st of 2024. My research led me to that, hence the brain t-shirts, hence neurogenesis, neuroplasticity, and all of the information that I have been sharing with you all since October 1st, 2024. And I told you every morning, and sometimes I get to do it the day before, but every day I am looking for a needle in a needle stack to give you the information that you have. And what I believe, and this is a hypothesis, what I believe is that when I am finished sharing with you the information that I discovered from my sample size today, that you will have a greater appreciation for the information that you are being provided with. I think you will have a greater appreciation for me, not for those of you who don't already appreciate me, but you're going to be like, oh, she a bad mofo. And that's just a theory. I could be wrong, and y'all know y'all can be honest with me and tell me I like receiving positive, not positive, but performance focused feedback. I reserve the right to get better and better every single day. But I ain't got a problem with if somebody got some better information than me, what is it? Because be the best is my objective. Good morning, Lola. Every single day. So if you got a better way of getting it done, best practice sharing, I learned at Frito-Lay, I will implement it immediately. I'm saying, oh, your way is better? Psh, give it here. Okay. So again, for those of you who are just joining, how to use your brain, that's the topic today. Dr. Donna searched online, the Mayo Clinic, a popular leader, industry leader, some other websites as well as AI, because now when you search something, AI will give you different articles that you can go and click to. So that's one of the benefits of having AI. And here's what I searched: how to use your brain at full capacity. What's the best way to use your brain? How to use your brain, and how to use your brain to become your best. Now, after we review this,